Wow, welcome to Pollinator Cafe, where we celebrate pollination, and that is done by serving foods that are pollinated by animals. Do you know why you should care about pollination? The bee knows. Have you ever stopped to smell the flowers? Have you ever enjoyed a juicy strawberry? Have you ever taken advantage of the vegetables that are available to you or the spices and the taste? Well, let me tell you a secret. The bee knows this, so you best know. Do you know that it is estimated that 1 out of every 3 bites of the food that comes to your table is a result of pollination? There are all kinds of partnerships that grow out of pollination and food webs. In fact, a healthy human diet requires at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. This is important. Just like your body has different parts that function together to make the body work well, so your diet. You need various foods for the diet to nourish you and make it work. Pollination is a big business. The U.S. economy has about $10 billion a year associated with just pollination, and $2 to $3 billion of that is associated with native bees. So, think about it. How many pollinated foods have you eaten or used today? So, think about it. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome to Pollinator Cafe. We have a special today, in fact, 2 specials. Number 1 is World Without Pollinators, and second is World with Pollinators.
Who cares? Bees sting. I don't like vegetables. We'll take it in one.
Is that so? Wow. We need one order of pollinator without pollinators, please. Thank you. Here you go, sir.
Ew. That moldy bread and water?
That's right. Without pollinators, your choices are pretty slim. And not only you, many other creatures just aren't going to make it and survive without it.
I'll take item number 2, world with pollinators.
Excellent choice. We'll take one order of World with Pollinators. Thank you. Here you go, mademoiselle. We have a special today. Strawberries and blueberries and watermelon and pineapple. And if there are any blueberries left, you'll be able to eat them. As well as a garnish of cucumbers and peppers and kiwis and grapes. So, can you imagine dinner without pollinators? Which plate would you rather have? Not only you, but all the other animals that rely on these foods need this food. So the food web will fall apart without them. Does pollinators matter? Do we need to help pollinators stick around? The answer should be coming clear. What do you say?
I like pollinators. They feed on flowers and then pollinate the next plant by carrying the pollen stuck to them. The result is fertilized flowers with all kinds of yummy fruits and vegetables. Without these insects, we won't have strawberries and avocados and so much more. In addition, our economy is very dependent on the money and jobs that agriculture generates. I have changed my mind. I choose worlds with pollinators. I read about what you can do to protect pollinators. You can plant plants that pollinators use and pour a little less concrete. You can also physically remove pests or use other insects to eat the plant pests and use less pesticide. Pollinators matter
To us all. Thank you for visiting Pollinator Cafe, where we celebrate pollination.